I think 21K is more about the practical learning than the going with the books. I saw very closely that they make things understand first for the kids, so thoroughly, very thoroughly. And once the kids understand, I think 21K is thinking it is easy to finish the assignments, and even kids, like my son, he says, "Mama, I already learned this today. They already teach me, and it is easy peasy." That's what I hear all the time, and then I don't sit with him for the homework, and he himself, he has a time, we have a time limit, like for the studies 1 hour TV time and like that. So he sits on his time and finishes up the homework, and even believe or not, he takes the picture of his homework and keeps me ready to submit. That shows how much interest they are taking into the studies. 21K is going beyond the limit to teach the kids. It is not even, I can say this much, not even like academically, but even mentally and physically, the teacher will pay attention. The child is fully satisfied. So that is what I like about. I think the best thing I have seen from my son behaviors is ready for the section before only, like 2 o'clock, not 3 o'clock. 2 o'clock, he wears his clothes and he goes and he asks, "Mama, am I looks good today?" Like a girl, I can say. And then he is ready for the section before only. It is not yet started. It is not yet started. For about 4-5 time, he comes out from the room and says it is not. That shows how much eager to he is waiting to attend the classes. And recently, yesterday only, after this, I was thinking to ask him whether you like 21K. You used to go to academy, I mean on campus school, so you wanted to go back to that school. So he said, "Mummy, I don't want to go back to that school at all. I wanted to stay in 21K." I think it is amazing. Very few schools can do that. I think our children will come to know different countries. They are learning multi cultures that way, and then the different continents and the cultures. All of this together makes them very talented, I think so. It's not taking my much of time. The assignments posted are very clear. The emails are coming every day. Also, portal. If I'm missing their sections, I mean, I'm not in his room. I have my own work to do. So I go back and see what was going on. If something, not every day. So the classes are recorded. There's very clearly everything in placed in portal. So I think adds up to 21K making is easier. Frankly speaking, it was not the very new platform for us. When we were in the US, the curriculum was like kind of like this. So the rhythm of teaching there is kind of like this. So it is not kind of new for me to adopt it. It was the regular school. I mean, I can say it was easier for me. And definitely the 21K management with teachers and all team is put together everything without any confusion, I can say. So we can understand, we can go through the teachings. It is kind of transparent. Those time when I born, I can see there are things like trees, especially now the subject is going on teaching about the trees and all stuff. I grew up learning this because my daddy was a farmer, so he used to teach me this tree is this tree is this. Nowadays very few schools were going beyond to teach them about the trees and then the stuff. So when he is learning about all of these small trees, he jumps and goes out of the way to get that, because even teachers are asking them to do it. Yeah, definitely he never forgets. Oh, mama, I have to do this today. It is part of my activity. So it shows, that's kind of very good for the child, for mentally and physically. They go, they hunt for it, or they ask parent them, can you please drive for me? So I wanted to find this tree. One day, I think teacher asked him to asked him to get one of the leaves of the tree. Then he said, "Oh, you found the tree. Why can't you get me full branch of the tree so that I can show to the teachers?" And we asked the watchman, and watchman gave us a branch of the tree, and he bought whole branch to show the teachers. So it is one of the great thing is growing good. I hope he will continue with that enthusiasm to show us and as well as for the school. Yeah, definitely. From if there are 15 students, they do see that all 15 students will get a chance. And even in between that, as for my attention, even any kid is feeling bad or the by the face, teacher comes to know, they pay attention very closely. I mean, these little brains, they just need attention. Good, they are at home, but we cannot go in between. I think the discipline which is teachers are teaching them very well, sitting and putting hand up, and then whenever their hands are up, they do pay attention, they give them a turn, and then they pay very close attention. I keep asking my son, if it is anything, let me know. But he does say that, I got my turn, mommy, and then teacher will pay attention, but everybody will get a turn. If not, they are giving for next section, like next class, whichever they are giving the turn. So I'm fine. I think they are paying very good attention. The both the teachers are very good. I'm blessed to have them.